Hi, my name is Ashley and I'm joined by the wonderful Zoe, and we're going to be giving you a quick little insight into the Live Lab program that Zoe is involved with and into the Adept Live Labs Expo that will happen on the 2nd of December. So Zoe, did you want to tell us a little bit about you, your role and the project you're involved with?
Of course. So, hi, my name's Zoe Collins. I'm currently the project manager for the Adult Integration Project that forms part of the wider Live Labs programme. I have spent 4 years working in Bucks, mostly within social care. So I've moved across to support with this programme and this project that's looking at how we bring together new infrastructure and new innovation within transport to support how we deliver our social care packages of care and all those sorts of wonderful things.
Great. And what's really interesting about this project is that it's one of the only projects that Buckinghamshire do that isn't more centred around transport. Did you want to go into a little bit more detail for us?
Yeah, of course. So it's a really interesting and multifaceted way of looking at how we can innovate in one area and pull that across to other areas of the organisation. So within this particular project, it's looking at how we can use infrastructure and innovation that has previously had a solely transport focus into how we use that to support the most vulnerable adults that we have as our residents. So it's looking at how we can do both and have really nice new lighting columns and all of those sorts of things, as well as proactive social care that supports the most vulnerable who and to keep them in their homes for longer and kind of delay the onset of really in-depth care.
Great, thank you so much, Zoe. So if you did want to know more, which we know you do, the expo will be on the 2nd of December and we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much for your time, Zoe.